Welcome to another video episode on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, programmed in online mode in Python and equipped with a camera and 3 sensors, 2 up here and 1 right here, including some LED. With a long wire to measure the battery voltage, and well, with a camera to using OpenCV detect image objects colored red. And there is exactly where one of the problems is. Last time I decided to change the one of the value ranges of HSV, UV saturation value, and ended up with something worse instead of something better. So I'm curious whatever will happen now. So first of all, let's connect it with the AC adapter standby. And if this one chooses to boot, then I will have to log in and see whatever comes next. I will have to acknowledge the connection. I will have to see if ROBOPro works, because with the TXT controller on the driving robot last time it went wrong. Anyway, connect. And yes, I have to acknowledge already. That's good. Then open the coder. That's good. Second connection is going good. I will have to enter the standard interface, which is there. So all is well. Another thing that I have to do, which I do via Linux command, is setting the date. Otherwise, all things that I do are getting the wrong timestamp and date stamp. So, forgetting sudo. Now everything is set, done and ready to roll. That is now I am with correct time. Removing all instances from last time. Ready to roll now. So let's actually run something. Go. It's online mode. There we go. Yep, that's it. So in this graphical interface with the standard interface, it makes pictures. In the community interface it doesn't, for some reason, or at least in this version of the firmware. But let's see whatever we can do. And then let's go back in time. Alright, operation not permitted because I forgot sudo, and here typo. Here it was the wrong time because in the meantime it had gone 1 minute further. This is the new stuff which has been sent. This command is to allow anything to be sent to this computer. So again, using this image magic, let's take the last time, which is 7/8 by the looks of it. (14, 19). Okay, now what's wrong here? I removed. Oh wait. Yeah, this I need to do. So this is 21. Mind you, these were still the old images which I subsequently had removed with well, anyway, I removed them, so now these are the new ones, and then we have 14, 90, 41. That is a lot better. Then I do not want just the image, I want the result as well. And this is what has gone wrong. It's all black now. That is because I changed this one into this one. Following this, it's all about the red. And then you would think that if you say 60, I said 60, and next one is, oh no, yeah, 16 and 100, then you get a color like this. And instead it goes all black. So what I am going to do is reinstating this one, removing, well, not removing, but commenting out this one, and there we go again. And by the way, I need to do something in between as well. Accu's drops is 7 point, and that is low. Okay, ROBOPro works, and it says 6.8. So I now really need to adjust to that the adapter before it goes out. Six is really low, and now it drops very much down, but that's okay, I don't mind. And the weird thing was, this is 6.7, ROBOPro gave 6.7 as well, but just here, let's see, the former run, gave 8.3. So in just a few it was from 8.3 to 6.7 in a mere minute or something. That's a lot. That's not good. With another battery pack I noticed the same quick drop. So either my charger is not good or there's something else going on. Okay, I can forget about this one. Or maybe not when I touch sensors. Let me just do that. So this is one sensor. Let me show. Here's one sensor. That's the, and in the ROBOPro you can see the top one being activated. Then this one, that is 3, and this is 2. So that works. Then this works, the other side works. So that's all alright. Counters work as well. That's good. So with all those verified, now I can actually run it and see if this change back has results for the resulting image. Yeah, look here. Okay, I don't mind that, by the way. So I am now looking at 14, 27, 36. Yeah, it is better, but not what I like. And let me turn this one to the front, because that is the red color. Okay, what's next? So concentrating now on the result of this one. It is clearly a matter of values. Let's go back. And here's a strange thing. Maximum is 100, not 60. So here it was 100. This cannot go higher. 255 is RGB. So somehow this is wrong. If I put this to 100, it's bright red. On the other hand, if I take this one as 8060, it apparently is a good value. So what if I take 160? But then again, what does it mean? 160. That is very dark. And the dark one is 8060. Although it could even be this, 160, and being dark. So why don't I just do that? 160 is very dark, but then is what is light. If 60, 100 is giving black images, UE is clearly the color. This is value. Let's stick to dark red. $60. Let's stick to 60 here. But one problem, I'm talking about light. But light being hazy, something like that. What is light anyway? So let's once again say for dark red, which should be 160. Dark red, okay. Then light red, 60, 100. Okay. Let's go for that. Let's see whatever this gives. Okay, that will be then 34, 40. Go. Is this better? Not really. Well, there's more pixels here. Of course, this one is better because I changed this one. But pixel-wise here, it should be all red. It should be bright red, and it really isn't. Alright. There are more things to do. This is not the solution. And apparently I need to find out if there's something more to be done with this HSV or another color separating method, whatever. I have some modeling to do. And here we are, once again, with the model. Things not go entirely as planned. And referring to the real one, I still need this one to apply, but that's not my main concern. Also, this may have to be replaced, because if I look at the original model, I have small parts and big parts. And I will forget about these for now, the robust parts. I'll forget about the legs, because it's all about the frame. And of course, this and this is an L shape, and in the model it really doesn't look like an L shape. And this is an L shape as well. These are very short. Oops, I am. So these are L shapes, very short L shapes. So what do you do with that? That is a pretty good question. How to fix this idea? Well, basically it doesn't matter. Although the point is, of course, that if you want to do it as detailed as possible, I need to have a very short part here, a part here, a short part here, and one part here. That would be really good. So scale over axis. Scale even more. Duplicate, and then you have it here. Is this correct? Kind of. Up. No, down. Because this is higher. Then I need this part to be slightly longer. No. Let's keep it twice as long. So this one goes here. Duplicate. Somewhere here. And duplicate. Oh, come on. Why is this so hard? Because it's in a very wrong position. And not just that, it may even be too long. Is this double? Could be. Okay. So take this, duplicate, and that's more or less correct. So that's one. Then duplicate, put it here, that's fine. Duplicate and put it here, and duplicate and put it, well, for now here, because I can't see wherever it goes. Something like this. Slightly lower, slightly there, duplicate, somewhere here. So that is more natural, although then you see that this is not entirely correct. But it's already better, and now you can also see that this is wrong now. Very important to notice. This is wrong because this part, this single part here, is the place where the wheels are connected. And right now they are not aligned. That's a big oops, and the same applies here, by the way. Exactly the same thing applies here. So either this has to be done in a different way, or this. And since I split up the wheels here, I think this is the way to go. So if I now no. So this one goes here. This is slightly better. But then how to do this part, that's another question. Although also when you look at it this way, then these wheels are not on the same place, at the same place. Kind of expected, but and here they are, in the same place. So something is not quite right. But how to deal with that? And that's the conclusion of this episode. So first, a battery pack that runs out too fast. Then HSV value that is still not satisfactory. and the modeling that leaves questions on the size of the parts to use. Enough to continue. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. Also you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please, if you like this blog and videos, then make a small donation via PayPal or Twitter. PayPal or Wired, I should say, not Twitter. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. Your name will be mentioned on my website, and depending on the pledge, also on with my videos in one or more ways. For more information, please see below this video. For amongst others, my URL, my website, where you can find all information. This is, as said, to be continued. Thanks for watching.